Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just got my Boxycharm. So, without further ado, let's start. So obviously, I already opened the box just to see what was inside and what I had in the box and what I needed to use. This month actually comes with a facial care product, and they are the Sungkamee eye gel packs. It says to leave it on for 30 minutes, so I'm gonna do that, and I will BRB. So it's just jelly. That's fine. So yeah, bye. Okay, I'm back and better than ever. It's been about 35 minutes, and I'm just gonna... I don't know if you can like see a difference. I'll look back at the footage to see if my bags were darker. They definitely moisturize them. Apparently they're supposed to reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize the area. So yeah, they did moisturize the area. They weren't puffy, I don't think, but we will see if they darkened. And those were actually $10. So before I go into the other products in the box, I'm just gonna quickly do my face and I will be back. Alright, it just started raining like crazy hard, so you might hear that in the back. I just put on a tinted moisturizer. I don't like putting on foundation because I feel like it's really cakey. Yep. So the next thing for the face in the box is this blush by Pretty Vulgar. This is in the color Make Them Blush 18 Hush Blush. I don't really use blush just because I feel like it makes me look too rosy, so it doesn't like look natural when I have like a really pink blush. But this is not too pink, so hopefully it'll go fine. So I'm just gonna take a blush brush, and not too much because my face doesn't handle blush very well. That's really pink. This is actually kind of really gorgeously pretty. Okay, I actually really like this blush. Just because it's like so subtle, it doesn't look too rosy. I think it actually looks kind of natural. Yes, and it's $26. I actually like this. Oh, this is actually really pretty. Most of my eyeshadow palettes are like neutral colors, and I really wanted eyeshadow, like a colorful eyeshadow palette, and this is really pretty. So yeah, this is an eyeshadow palette by Boxycharm and Purr. They collabed. So why don't we just hop in? Kind of giving me like peacock vibes. So I think maybe that's the look. This is a brush set from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's a smoky eye brush set. I've never heard of the brand, but it looks really cute. So yeah, they're all very dense and kind of thick. I usually don't like these kind of brushes just because they're so hard to blend with. So if I don't like them, then I'm just gonna use my brushes. Okay, so I'm gonna use the step 2 for the shadow brush, and I'm gonna use this color right here. And this is called Belle. So I'm putting this on the entire eyelid, and I'm just bringing it higher than my crease. So yeah, this is actually really pigmented, which is great, you know? We love a good pigment. We're doing good. So I just did the base of my eyes in the color Belle. The next color I'm going to use is this color. It is in the color BFF. So I kind of put this in my crease, and I'm going to drag it down and up a little, but make sure that I'm making sure that I still want to show a little bit of the bell color. So the lines look really harsh right now, but I'm gonna blend them out later. And with the smallest brush in the smoky eye kit, I take the color Bay right here. And it's actually a sparkly pink. Oh, and I wet my brush. I sprayed it with a setting spray. I'm gonna take one of my own brushes. I'm gonna use this color Charmer right here. And I'm gonna use this on the inner corner and spread it out into the sparkly pink. Wow, so the gold has a lot of fallout. Well, let me try another brush. Okay, this one's softer. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Morphe M44 blending brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges so that they're not so harsh. And then I'm gonna go back in with the second brush that I used from the kit with the dark purple, with a purplish pink. And I'm gonna take that again. And then I'm gonna mix it in with this brown right here. This is the color Duet, and it's kind of like a purplish brown. And then I'm gonna put it on my, whatever that's called, waterline? That's not the waterline. His eyes are on my eye. It's fine, you're okay. We're good? Yeah, we're good. That is the look, y'all. Before I curl my lashes, I'm gonna use the setting spray so that the curler doesn't mess up everything. Yay, Scoop. And the last thing in the box is this mascara by Butter London. It's called the Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And I finally actually know this brand. Wrong side. This side. Wow, this is big. And I'm just gonna go ham. Oh, this is actually staying. Usually I don't use wet mascaras because my natural lashes usually just go straight out. So when I curl them and then I use a wet mascara, they usually just go back down and they don't keep the curl. But this one's actually pretty good. It did go down a bit, but not as much as the other ones that I have tried. But see, this is what I hate, when one of my eyelashes sticks straight up and one of them tends to go down. Okay, they went down a little bit. Okay, so now they're even. And now I'm just gonna put some of the Charmer again on my brow bone. And now I'm gonna go do my eyebrows, put some highlighter on, a gloss probably, and I will be right back. You see my Cupid's bow? Yes girl, get it. So I put on lip injection so that my lips would be a little bit tinted. And then I put on Glossier lip gloss. Glossier, I don't know. Yeah.
My goodness. Why didn't you get him out sooner? To be honest.
Damn, David Dobrik.
So just got through airport security and my bag got randomly selected for bag check. And it didn't get randomly selected, so it doesn't.
Don't know if it's gonna focus. Will it? Yes. Hey guys. This is the final look. Yeah. I'm actually really happy with the final look. Like what? So I'm gonna calculate the total price of this month's box. And for each box, you pay $21 a month. And the total of the box was $115.15. So I'm just gonna leave that there. Yeah. I'm definitely gonna use the palette. I don't know about the mascara. I'll probably use another mascara with it just to declump it. And I will probably also use the blush because in the little sheet, it says used as a natural look with no makeup. The brushes were also really good. I didn't use them for what they were made for. I'm not like thrilled about how they worked. That's basically all I have for today. And if you guys liked this video, definitely please, you know, hit the subscribe, like this, and follow me on social medias. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching, and bye. When I do things at home, it's great. And then I try to go into public looking great like I did at home. And then something just hits me. Everything just, yeah. Subscribe.